So Hulu released this new docu-series called Pole to Pole, and it's basically, as you can see, Will Smith. Now, I really had to force myself to have the energy to want to watch this because it really just seemed like an attempt for Will Smith to, better his image by doing a National Geographic about going pole to pole, traveling, new cultures, learning about himself, to be like, forget that I slapped Chris Rock, you know what I mean? And that's kind of what it is. I mean, there is a lot of references that Will's like, you can lose your fame just like that, and you think that you're on top of the world, and then one thing happens, and that night at the Oscars, like he's telling all these people, like, remember that night at the Oscars, like that really, and they're talking about actual traumatic things that may have occurred in their life, and he's just like, yeah, but that night at the Oscars that I did, and I'm just like, well, can we take a break? Can we take a break from you just for a second? Now, Will Smith, he's fine. He's charismatic. He is making other people laugh, whether it seems like kind of forced or not. That's up to your personal interpretation. The actual information that you learn from the Geographic, it's actually very interesting. And I wouldn't want to say don't watch it just because, Will Smith slapped Chris Rock, but just grain of salt that there's going to be a lot of Will Smith making subtle, I'm finding myself rediscovering because I did this thing and I was on top of the world. So, 3 stars.